Caielle, what's the color of that egg?
Pink.
Pink. Oh, okay. What are you going to do now? And this one, what's the color?
Orange.
Orange egg. Okay. Look at the camera here, huh? Okay. Okay, now open that one. Or you want to open the orange egg or the pink egg?
No.
No? Okay, you want the pink egg first?
Egg first.
Okay, sure. Let me see. Oh, baby, this is hard because we need to open the orange first. Orange egg first. This one. Orange egg. This is already, see, torn. So, open this one. Tear this plastic here, baby. This one first, orange. Okay. Go. Very good. So, what's inside? Show it to the camera. Show the orange egg. Oops. Show the orange egg. Show it. Show it here. Show it to the camera. Show it here, baby. Oh, then you open. The pink one now. Wait, we will... Oh, show to the camera first. Shake. And then what are you going to say while opening? What's inside the orange egg? Come on, baby. Open it.
Orange.
Orange. So what's inside the orange egg?
Open that egg.
Open this one.
Open.
Wait, huh? There. It's already torn. Go. What is the color of that one again? Huh? What are you opening? What is that? Go. Very good. There. There. Nice one. Good job. Good job. Woohoo! Then you show it to the camera and shake it. Shake the egg, alright? After you open, go! Yeah, nice one. Very good. Go. Take out the plastic first. Very good. Now you open. Oh, say open. Oh, egg surprise. It's not opened yet. Okay. Thank you. I'll throw this in the garbage can, okay? Oh. Now, you're going to open that one, right? Oh, which one first? Do you want to open?
Open.
Open this one. What is that?
Open.
Okay, open.
Surprise.
Surprise! Go, open.
Ah.
Fox inside? You haven't opened it yet.
How?
You open first. Oh, go. How? Come on, help.
Tiger.
Tiger is inside? You haven't opened it yet.
Shake, shake, shake.
Oh, shake. Go. Come on, let's open. Show them.
Open.
Show them what's inside. Oh, you squeeze this one first, baby. Oh, there. You squeeze. There. What's inside? What's that one? What is that? Show it to the camera. Show it here. What's inside? What is that? Candies? What's the color of the candy? What's the color of the candies, baby?
Close.
Hmm?
Close.
Close? Yeah, put it back there, like that. Press. Very good. Now open the pink one. Go, press. You press here, baby. Press there. Press. Press the... You press this one. You press. Go. This one. This one. Yeah, right. There. Very good. What's inside also?
Sticker.
Sticker. And the other one, what's inside? Ah, there's also sticker on the orange egg, baby. Candies and stickers.
Sticker.
Yeah, the other one. This one here. This is the sticker. See? What's the sticker? What's this sticker?
Frog.
No, is this frog?
Frog.
No?
Turtle.
Turtle. Oh, show it to the camera here. Show it to the camera. Hold it and show it to the camera, the turtle.
Close.
Close. You close like this, baby. Close and then you press like this. There. Close. Ups. Close also press. Oh, press. Go. Press. There. Close. Right? No more. So what did you get? This one, stickers and candies.
Side.
Inside, yeah. You're going to put it back? Okay. Now that you opened it, say bye to the camera. Say bye. Say bye here.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And hit the bell for more videos.